This is my AI avatar, created in Heygen in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how you can create your own. We're going to get straight into it. First, I'll explain what Heygen is and why it's a game changer. Then, we'll look at the different types of avatars you can create. After that, I'll give you a complete step-by-step guide to building your own digital twin, from recording your footage to generating your first video. Let's get to it. So, what is Heygen? Think of it as an AI video platform that turns a typed script into a professional video. No cameras, no studios, no problem. But what makes it a 2025 game changer? Here's the quick rundown. You get a library of over 300 voices in more than 40 languages, instantly making your content global. It packs features like one-click voice cloning for brand consistency and can export in crisp 1080p or even 4K. The result? Realistic facial expressions and natural movements that have convinced over 15 million users worldwide. It's a tool that's completely changing how video gets made. But before we can get our hands dirty, you need to know what you're even working with. Heygen has a few different avatar types, and picking the right one is all about what you're trying to do. First up, the latest and most advanced model is Avatar 4. This is a massive leap because it creates photorealistic talking avatars from a single photo, and it's not just for humans. It can be a pet, a cartoon, or even a fantasy character. The AI produces rich facial expressions, subtle head movements, and emotional nuances that make it feel alive. It features high customization with gesture and motion controls, video resolution up to 1280p HD, and is ideal for creating high-quality AI videos quickly and at scale. Next, we have video avatars. These are for when you want the absolute highest level of realism. You create one by recording a short video clip of yourself around 2 minutes long. The AI captures detailed facial motion, gazes, and expressions to create an authentic digital twin. This is the best option for users who want the most natural, lifelike movements, with realistic lip sync and body gestures. Then there are photo avatars. This type balances realism with creation time. Instead of a video, you upload around 10 to 15 photos. It's a fantastic option when you don't have video footage but still want more detail than what a single photo avatar can offer. For total creative freedom, there are generative or AI-generated avatars. With these, you can create a brand new, fully synthetic avatar just by describing it in a text prompt. Whether you want a stylized or realistic character for your brand, a unique persona for a game, or a memorable face for social media, the AI can build it from scratch without you needing to provide any images or video. Of course, there are also stock avatars. This is a library of pre-designed, ready-to-use avatars, both realistic and stylized. They include virtual presenters, professionals, and diverse character looks, making them ideal for quick video creation when a custom avatar isn't required. Finally, we have interactive avatars. These are real-time avatars designed to respond directly to user interaction. They are used for live engagement, such as human-like customer support, interactive demos, or live presentations, combining avatar realism with AI-driven conversation. Okay, time to actually build one. I'm going to walk you through creating a video avatar since it offers the highest realism and is a popular choice for creating a true digital twin. Step 1. Account setup. First things first, you need a Heygen account. Go to their website and hit Get Started for free. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or your email. Their free plan is pretty generous and lets you try out the main features, but your final videos will have a watermark. Step 2. Start the avatar creation process. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Avatars section on the left. You'll see the library of public avatars. To make your own, click on Create New Avatar. It will give you a few options. We're going to pick the one that uses a video recording. Step 3. The recording. This is the most important step for getting a result that doesn't look janky. Heygen will ask you to record about 2 minutes of yourself talking to the camera. Here are my non-negotiable tips for a great recording. Get your lighting right. Make sure your face is evenly lit with no weird shadows. Sitting in front of a window is a great free option. Keep the camera steady. Put your webcam at eye level and look right into the lens. Try not to fidget or move your head and body around too much. Find a quiet spot. Background noise is your enemy. Record in a quiet room. Pacing is everything. Speak clearly at a natural speed. Here's a key tip. Leave a tiny 1-second pause between your sentences. This helps the AI figure out your mouth movements perfectly. Be expressive. Don't be a robot. Use natural facial expressions. If you want an avatar that can smile or look serious, you need to give the AI that data. You can even record different takes, one happy, one professional, and use them as different looks later. Talk about whatever you want for 2 minutes. Just follow those rules, and when you're done, upload the footage. For security and ethical reasons, Heygen needs to confirm you're a real person giving permission. You'll have to record a quick consent video, just reading a sentence they provide on screen. This proves it's really you, and you're okay with having a digital version of yourself created. It's fast and usually gets approved in seconds. Step 5. Submit and wait. After you submit your recording and consent, Heygen's AI takes over. It'll take a few minutes to process everything, though sometimes it can take a little longer. When it's done, your custom avatar will pop up in your library, ready to go. Now that we've covered the most realistic video avatars, let's look at the faster methods. The great thing is, it's all incredibly quick and happens right inside Heygen. First up, Avatar 4, which creates a talking avatar from a single picture. On your Heygen homepage, you just click Photo to Video with Avatar 4, upload your image, and type in your script. For best results, use a clear front-facing photo where your face isn't covered by hats or sunglasses. This is perfect for creating fast social media content or user-generated style ads without ever touching a camera. Next, photo avatars. This is a great middle ground. In the Avatars tab, you just select Create New Avatar and choose the photo option. The key here is to upload 10 to 15 high-quality photos of yourself from different angles and with various expressions to give the AI more data to work with. The AI uses this data to build a more detailed and flexible avatar than the single image version. For pure creativity, there are generative avatars. You don't need any photos for this. You just navigate to create a new avatar and select the Generate option. You then describe the character you want in a text box. Be specific about face shape, hair, and clothing to get closer to your vision. This is ideal for building a unique brand mascot or a fictional character from scratch. Finally, using the stock avatars is the easiest of all. You just browse the library, pick one you like, and you can immediately take it into the AI studio to create a video with your script. They have tons of professional options ready to go, which is a huge time saver for corporate training or presentations. If you're getting value out of this and you're getting excited to make your own digital twin, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're always digging into the latest AI tools to show you what's legit so you don't have to waste your time. Before we wrap this up, I want to share a few pro tips and a reality check. First, while the AI is amazing, it's not a mind reader. The quality of what you get out is directly tied to the quality of what you put in. A blurry, badly lit recording is going to give you a pretty unconvincing avatar. Take the extra 5 minutes to get the recording right. Second, know the limits. While newer avatars offer more gestures and motion, they are primarily designed for talking head style videos. You won't be able to make your avatar walk across a room or interact with complex objects just yet. The platform excels at professional presentations, educational content, and communication videos. Third, keep an eye on your credits. Heygen's plans run on a credit system, where 1 credit usually gets you 1 minute of video. Just be mindful of that so you can plan your projects without hitting a limit. And finally, I have a question for you. Now that you've seen how powerful this is, would you actually create an AI avatar of yourself? Or does that still feel a little too weird? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm genuinely curious what you think. To explore more, join our free Skool community, Your Eye Adventure, if you haven't joined already, and grab the complete guide with everything you saw in this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the community or in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help out. I hope to see you in the next video.